Bitterness lingers in the mouth, especially on sore losers on a last-ditch effort to steer the pot, make noise, and hopefully stay relevant. Take disgraced pastor and senator wannabe Apollo Quiboloy, who has sounded the alarm over Comelec discounting his votes, and running mate Rodante Marcoleta also claiming likewise and seeking a recount even though he's won, which the Comelec explained and election watchdog PPCRV seconded. Our Luisa Erispe has more.
Several candidates and party list organizations have been asking for a manual recount for the 2025 midterm elections. This is after the alleged discrepancy on the partial and unofficial tally that happened early morning yesterday that resulted to deducted number of votes for some candidates. One of these candidates who questioned the changes is Rodante Marcoleta, running for senator. He submitted a manifestation to the Comelec to explain on the record what happened on the transmission. For the camp of Apollo Quiboloy, also running for senator, they are calling for a manual recount throughout the country. Even the Kabataan party list asked for a recount, saying they have flagged the system Comelec has contracted for the elections last year, and so a recount is justifiable. And for Solo Parents party list, they want an investigation, an explanation why they have monitored an alleged attempt to transfer and deduct vote count for them.
May recovery attempt at paglipat o transfer ng boto mula sa Solo Parents party list mula sa humigit kumulang 214,000 na boto, bigla itong bumaba sa humigit kumulang na 125,000 na boto.
But the Commission on Elections said a manual recount is not that easy to implement. A law is needed and funds should be available to provide honoraria for teachers that will serve as electoral boards.
Sino magre-recount? Ang mga guro. So kailangan natin silang bigyan muli ng honoraria. Kailangan magkaroon tayo na yan po ay kakailanganin ng batas sa isang manual recount ng balota. So yung pong random manual audit, acceptable po yan internationally. Yan pong ginagawa.
Comelec also said the ongoing random manual audit is also enough on the law to serve as a manual recount.
Yung po kasing random manual audit, yung po ang nakalagay sa batas yung po ang manual recount na sinasabi. Baka po siguro gusto nila sabihin yung lahat ng buong Pilipinas, buong 94,000 precinct. Ako, pagka po nagkagano yung manual recount, mas mahaba po yun, di hamak. Kapag po nag-manual recount tayo sa buong eleksyon na whatever. So, ang manual recount ay ito pong random manual audit natin.
But the Comelec is also open for an election protest if voters want to open ballot boxes. But still, this has a process.
Pinaka-best talaga, protesta. Pero nakita po nila yung ballot images Yun yung isang bagay na bakit walang nagdi-discuss. Nakita po yung picture image ng balota yung sa ballot review. So ibig sabihin, naikumpara nila yung boto pag binilang manually yung balota na pinakita sa kanila ng teachers doon sa na-print na election returns at na-transmit na election returns. Dito po So para nang yun na po yung manual recount na sinasabi.
The PPCRV sides with the Comelec and is convinced that there is no election fraud for the 2025 midterm elections. They are also satisfied with the transmitted votes on the transparency server. From PTV Manila, Luisa Erispe, Balitang Pambansa.